Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. I would like to show you another way to use the Craspire wax seals. And guys, I've been playing with this today and I love this. Okay, so I did make I used some bottle caps and I made 2 seals. I want to send off a package and I don't want to pour the wax over my twine because I don't want it, to me it doesn't come out pretty. Plus, this is a handmade doily that I'm sending off to a crafty friend, and I don't want anything to go through the tissue and ruin all the hard work that I put into this doily. And that's why I thought, well, there's got to be a different way. So I thought about putting a paper backing on the wax seal the way I showed you in the previous Craspire video. And I came across some bottle caps and I thought, oh my gosh, how pretty will that be? You know, it'll be, you know, of course I'm going to color it in, but I think that'll be nice. So what I did was I played around, as you can see, I played around with different amounts of wax for the bottle caps. And the first one I did was this one. I put 4 wax seals in there and it just was way too thick. It was running over the sides. And then I did 3 wax seals and yeah, it was all right. And then I did 2 and it kind of didn't cover the entire surface. So I said, well, what about 2.5? So I took 1 and I cut it in half, which is what I just put in there. And I am going to try this again. I just want to show you that this wax is not flimsy at all. I had a bit of a hard time trying to get it out of there, as you can see, and I am pressing really hard here. And it is stuck on there really well. So you don't have to be afraid. There it goes, there it goes. Yes, okay. So you don't have to be afraid that it's gonna, fall off of a project or anything like that. It is super, super strong. And as you can see, I'm still struggling to get this last bit out of here. And okay, here we go. Oh, there it is. So it was a struggle to get it out of there, and look how mangled it got. I got it. So I am going to do 2.5 wax seals, and I'm using the Handmade with Love because this is a handmade item. And so we are waiting for our wax to melt. Remember, this is 2.5, and I'm getting some bubbles in there. So this is 2.5 wax pellets or beads, or I forgot what they call them. So it's 2.5 of them, and I think that it will be just enough to form that circle around the wax or around the seal. So here I go. I'm pouring this in there right in the center, and I have my little rag here ready to wipe around my spoon because I don't want it to to spill over the sides. Now I'm gonna put this in the center, and I think I went a little crooked, but it is what it is. We'll see what it looks like when it comes out. And remember, the wax always runs to one side for me. So I'm going to take this one out. I'm going to try to. There we go. Piece by piece, bit by bit. And some really good wax. All right, there we go. Got it out. So the next one that we are waiting on, I'm going to go ahead and try this again. This one's probably ready. There we go. See, that is pretty, guys. 2.5 to me I think that's good. So I'm going to wait for the next one. So while we're waiting, let me tell you what else I did. I thought, well, what if I didn't like the silver color for this project? So I went ahead and spray painted mine pink. So I have some that are pink, and I am hoping that when I do this one, it's gonna come out great. A little bit better than this one, I'm hoping, with 2.5. Remember, this is 2.5 seals as well. So I'm gonna get a little closer to where the table, I'm gonna pour it closer to me. I wish there was something I could put under here just so it doesn't, hopefully, let me see if that works. Okay, I've got my little rag here. And let's try this. Oh, ran too much to one side. Oh, I see wax all the way around, guys. Okay, we're gonna wait for that just a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put 2.5. Let me show you how hard it is to, there's 2, and then let me cut this in half. There we go. It's not impossible. So that's 2.5 wax beads. I'm gonna try this one, guys, because I did like how it turns out. I like that. So after that one, I am going to color it in with this metallic marker. So hopefully I don't mess it up, because I would hate to try to carve it out of this one because it is, you know, painted. But let's see this, guys. Oh, look at that. I love that. Okay, we're gonna do the 2.5 into this one. Super excited to see what this turns out to look like. I can use these. They came out good. All right, guys, here we go. Pretty evenly distributed. Put this on here. I see wax all the way around, guys. All right, I found these bottle caps, and how pretty are these? They're the same size, except they have the bling around them. And I really don't want to try it just yet. I want to make sure that 2.5 is good before because I don't want to try to pry the wax out of here and then break one of the little crystals. So let's see this one, guys. There we go. Oh my gosh. So maybe it wasn't quite ready to come out because it doesn't look as good as it could have, I think. The handmade is a little distorted. I'm going to make another one. Let that heat up. I'm gonna bring that closer to me, guys, because I'm afraid it's got too much wax on one side. Okay, we're gonna let that cool down and we'll see what that looks like. So let me try 2.5 more. Let me try to paint. What do you think, guys? Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay. I don't want to try this one just yet, but let's see this one. It's better. Okay guys, I'm going to use the thank you stamp that I got from Craspire. And I am going to use another bottle cap. Now, I'm going to put this one right in the center here, and I'm going to use some hot glue for that. My hot glue gun, let me blow this out. I'm going to use some hot glue right there. And then I'm going to put my little seal right in the center. I should have put my little paper, my little okay, let that set for a second. Let's go back to this. It's pretty well, it's pretty. Let's see what this looks like. Oh guys, that one is beautiful. Oh, that one turned out really pretty. Now this one I will use just like that. I wonder if I have a silver marker. I do have silver. Oh my goodness, guys, how pretty is that? Look, in silver. Oh, that looks pretty. That gives it a whole new look, doesn't it? Look at that. That looks very, very pretty. I'm gonna save this one and send it off as well in a package. Okay, I'm going back to my package. There we go. It's not stuck to my package. There's a little bit of glue there, but it's dry. And look how pretty my package looks now. Simple, plain, boring into beautiful. I'm telling you, I love the way that looks. And then you can paint your bottle caps, you know, of different colors to match your projects. And yeah, turned out really well. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you give this a try. Don't forget, I have a coupon code for you. It'll save you $5 on a $40 order. And if you order $50 worth, you get free shipping. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.